to automatically open a specific app when driving mode is on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap driving. Tap other action. Under suggested action section, tap open an app or do an app action. Select the required app you like to automatically open when driving mode is on. As the example, we will select Open Maps. To find it quickly, tap the search icon at the top right and then type the app. Tap Open Maps. Tap Done button. And then tap Done button again to save the change. With the setting, now when driving mode is on, your phone will automatically open Google Maps app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.